A lone traveler was passing through a desert on a hot day. He was tired, feeling thirsty and hungry too. At least, he needed a shady spot to rest for a while. A big leafy tree came into view at some distance away. He felt glad and said to himself, "Had I water to drink, now?" Yes, he found a tumbler full of cold water on the ground right in front of him. He sat down there and started sipping the water. Then, he wished, "Had I something to eat, right here?" Immediately, a variety of dishes appeared before him. He was under the shade of Kalpavriksha, a magical tree. That was the wishing tree. Whoever was under it would have whatever he wished for. The traveler enjoyed the delicious food. He felt drowsy. He wished for a nice bedstead. It was granted. He stretched himself comfortably on the soft mattress. His legs ached, as he had walked a long distance. He hoped that someone would massage his feet. Yes, a young lady appeared near his field. She started massaging his feet and legs. He soon fell asleep. After a long time he woke up. The lady was still sitting beside him. He now started thinking differently. How can things happen like this? Can I have things I wished for by merely asking for them? Is it some kind of a trick played by a magical demon? He doubted. Oh, a true demon appeared in place of the nice lady. The demon was laughing mischievously at him. The traveler said to himself, "Is he going to eat me up?" Within no time the demon started leaping at him, with his mouth wide open. The frightened traveler took to his heels and ran away. He ran and ran for long. When he looked back, there was no demon. What is all this? Did things really happen? Or was it all mere a dream? The traveler started wondering. Perhaps Almighty grants what one has in mind. He resumed his journey. Anne and her mother had lived in a small unattractive cottage as long as Anne could remember. It was party time. Christmas was so close, and so was her birthday. Anne wished she could get a new dress with frills and lace as a wonderful Christmas gift. All her friends would be getting new frocks. But Anne did not want to ask her mom for a new dress. She knew how hard her mom worked to make both ends meet. Maybe she could make a wish, maybe Santa Claus would come. Anne couldn't help dreaming about the new frock, even though she knew that Santa Claus is just an imaginary character. Her classmates were talking only of Christmas celebrations which were nearing. "My rich aunt is surely going to give me a pretty branded doll again," said Ria. "I have been hinting about that costly watch to my parents. They are bound to gift that to me," told Tessie. And felt left out in those conversations. She neither had rich parents nor rich aunt-uncle to give her expensive gifts. It was not just gift that worried Anne. It was her mother. Nowadays she was working overtime and looked pale and worn out. The days passed and soon it was Christmas Eve. In everyone's, except Anne's, house a Christmas tree adorned the living room. In the kitchens there hung the lovely aroma of freshly baked cakes and turkey. But nothing lovely was being cooked in Anne's house. Every child went to bed eagerly waiting for the lovely gifts that he or she would receive the next day. Anne went to bed with a heavy heart. She knew that there would be no gifts for her. And wished with her whole heart that at least this time she would get a gift from Santa Claus. and slowly drifted off to sleep. She dreamt of Santa riding in the snow on his reindeers. Ring, ring, and jumped, hearing alarm. She suddenly remembered that it's Christmas Day. Without much hope she looked if there were any gifts for her. Wonder of wonders! There lay a beautiful packet tied with a red ribbon. Anne excitedly opened the package. It was a pretty white frock with fluffy frills and attractive lace. She touched the material. It was soft and silky, unlike the hard coarse material of the dresses she usually wore. She checked the gift carefully to find out who gave her this beautiful frock. Suddenly a small piece of paper fell out from the inner layer of frock. Anne eagerly started to read the note. Dear Anne, this frock is gifted to you for being a good girl. Hope you continue to do good things and help your mother. Your loving friend, Santa Claus. Anne felt that there was something familiar about this note. She looked into the note carefully. Then it struck her. She realized that this handwriting is similar to her mother's. Her mother had worked overtime to save money to buy this expensive gift. Anne was happy beyond words. She knew that she is the luckiest girl to have such a wonderful mother as a wonderful Christmas gift. It was a dark and stormy night. I was alone at home and about to go to bed, when I saw a scary shadow figure at my window. Who's there? I shouted. Suddenly there was a flash of lightning followed by thunder shower. I saw a lion's face followed by a scary thunderous roar at the window. It looked like the lion from the local circus that had been announced missing on the television news channel. I felt very scared. I ran to my bed and pulled my blanket over my head. I started to shout for my parents, but there was no reply. Then I remembered they were at a late-night party. I peeped out of my blanket, but it was too dark to see anything. Then I heard footsteps. They were getting louder and louder. Soon the footsteps died off. The grandfather clock struck 12. I went back to bed and tried to sleep, but couldn't. I felt too frightened. I sat up, my mind full of scary thoughts. After some time passed, finally I fell asleep. I woke up only after 8 in the morning and switched on the TV news. I was excited to see the lion was already trapped in the wee hours of the morning by the ringmaster of the circus. I felt very much relieved after the news. Later I narrated the whole incident to my parents. They were dumb-shocked and decided in future not to leave me alone at home during night.